Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be training you on shade grading on realistic artworks. As for my subscribers, know the drill, but if you're new here, please subscribe and don't forget liking my videos. These are the art tools used on this beautiful portrait. My Instagram account, the link is down below, and my TikTok account is right there. I'll start with the first step in drawing, which is the outline first. Well, this outline took time to draw it due to some complications from the reference photo. You can check on my previous video on how I insisted issues about the reference photo. As for the outline, you have to be very careful because it's the basic step that has to be perfect. Many beginners fail to draw outlines perfectly, and whereby, when it comes to shading, no match is found between the reference photo and the sketch. This step is very interesting because this is where people have a visual on the magic of drawing, but only if you have the basics and knowledge on how to shade. That's why you have to watch this video. Well, shading isn't hard, it just depends on the pencils that you have. Every pencil has a certain pressure that you have to use when shading. For instance, the 2B and 3B pencil. Many artists use it to erase the outline and bring realistic textures out of the outline details. On all darker shades, you have to use a woodless pencil, 8B pencil, and a charcoal pencil. But sometimes, instead of 8B pencil, you can use a 6B pencil. But it has to be done on a logical order. First, the 8B pencil or woodless pencil, then shade the same part with a charcoal pencil, then blend using a blending stamp for a perfect result of a fine realism. A gel pen on darker shaded portions. When used, it's always seen more brighter. So in that case, I'll use it so as to visualize realistic drippings of the liquid flowing from the upper mouth region going downwards to the lower region of the mouth. Then I'll shade the lower portion of the lips with the 2B and 5H pencil. Then I'll add some details using a gel pen to result realism of stretch marks, which are found on the mouth lips. And here comes to finalizing the portrait by shading my background. but it will be two-sided. One is black and the other one is white. I hope you enjoyed this full tutorial. Please subscribe, like and drop any compliments about this video. See you next time.